Good morning, One Life. One Life, something weird happened, man. Something really weird happened. So I was just talking about PHUN yesterday during the stream, and for some reason, it's up 300%. I think that's a bad omen. HHTrader. Yeah, P-Fun's definitely getting a little action. We'll see, though. We'll see. I was looking at it pre-market too, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait because this thing might just dump off because it really doesn't have any good news. Good morning, Lauren. Oh, okay. So we had P-Fun, DWAC still acting up, CRTD, GROM, and SALM for right now. Let me pop y'all over to my TD Ameritrade so y'all can see that scanner. This is the scanner over there. Let me make sure it actually popped in. No, not yet. Okay, let me go back over here. Here's a TD Ameritrade, and there's a scanner for over here. So it's a pairs trade with H or UHM, that one stock that was too expensive at 14 yesterday, and now it's UHM well 90 something bucks. UHM. Pair stock. I don't know. Just have to continue to watch, I guess. But it definitely got a little bottom here, this double bottom at the 525. So I'll just wait to the open. Let me go and see what that message was. Sympathy play with DWAC. UHM is a word, not a stock. Oh, got you. Man, you know how I look up anything as a ticker? It's 3 letters, 4 letters. It's a ticker. All right. Enter the activation key. Let's see, let's see. Lauren, capitalize my tickets. Good morning. Daniel B's in here. Uh-oh. Back into DWAC. I think everybody that made their money on DWAC is done with it. All right, what time is it? 8:16. PHUN still traveling upwards. Yeah, I don't know if I trust it. We'll see. DWAC still traveling upwards. I'm just waiting for the regular market open because I think with this being a Friday, I just got a feeling that there's going to be some dropping. Be fun. Got a feeling. Let's see what we got here. One Life jumped out of there. Nice profits from the 5 up to the 7. One Life usually avoids pre-market trades, but he was just so convicted on P-Fund. There's a stock that I was talking about yesterday that made a move way back here that I traded in back here. But yeah, looking like it's coming back up with no news, just up. So I'm definitely expecting some drop off on that one. Up almost 400%. Nice. One Life out here pre-market trading. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see if it'll start pulling back. Oh, the news on P-Fund. No real news. Hmm. Yeah. Plenty of liquidity. Trying to get up to that $8. So it's got a possible bottom at the 638s. If it'll come back down and test that level. Then it has a all out bottom at the 483 down there. I'd say the $5 is really kind of that spot. All right. Let's see how wacky these stocks act today. There was a big dumper, MTCR, got a downgrade and dropped 52%. MTCR. Over here, you can see it on my top screen. It's a huge dump off. I mean, just absolutely monster dump. But it'll probably fall to the wayside. Not enough, not getting bought up like the other one did. That was a little bit higher price. This is $1.08. Not looking too nice. P-Fund got up there to the 8, but couldn't push that 8. So pre-market high, 796. Getting a nice top and tail out there on the 15. Okay. Let's say LM. Got about 7 minutes to the bell. Good morning, Jay Kratz, Lori, One Life, DB. Grum coming on back down. All right, so CRTD and Grum. This one has a bottom of the 432. $430s. The daily chart, it'll be opening up above that 200. Does it have a reputation of giving back? Yeah, it does. Does not have a lot of news on it either. CRTD and Grom coming back down here to the 430s as well. So both of them are 430 boys. So we will see what they want to do on the open. CRTD. J Crest, we got 5 stocks up here on the scanner, and P Fund I don't trust. It could do some crazy stuff up here, but I'm really more interested in CRTD or Grom right now. Probably CRTD. Grom also looks okay, but it is fighting quite a bit of a trend down though for Grom. CRTD's looking better, but we will see. Got a bottom here at the 430 on both of them, but we'll wait. Got about 4 minutes to the bell. P-Fund got back up there to the 775. Will it pull back or will it go ahead and break into the 8s? P-Fund getting back under that 775 quickly. All the way back down to the 750s. That looks nice. DWAC over $100. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't like Grom's daily chart. CRTD may be one. We'll have to see. P-Fund still looking like it wants to go. 3 minutes until the open. Let's see what happens. Will we get any sell-off on DWAC? DWAC up to 110 bucks. That's wow. All right. P-Fund back down to the 7, or wait. Oh, no, it's back up over the 775s. Insanity. 118 on DWAC. Wow. Insane. That's the one I'm just going to watch out of the open. I just want to see what it does. But I don't want to miss anything else looking at that one. All right, 15 seconds left. Let's see what happens on these. P-Fund going back down. DWAC, what will be the first move of DWAC? There's the open. Will it jump up there through the 125s? '24s, '27s, yep. Ooh. Wow. All right, P-Fund also went up. CRTD, $5. Wow, wow, wow. 131. Into a halt on DWAC. P-Fund jumped up there as well. CRTD finding some more resistance up there. Grom going on down. All right. P Fund all the way up to 1085, $11. Now, this is how P Fund was looking when I bought that initial last year and didn't know what in the world. I just bought. And yeah, it started ripping. So we're seeing some bigger movers now. Yep. CRTD still making moves. Is everything today gonna? We got three things up here over 100%. Actually, we got more than three if you look at the other DWs or whatever is they're called. All right. So this is a crazy open. Three stocks over 100%. This one may go into a halt as well. CRTD. Let's see what it does. Got up there over the pre-market highs there, CRTD. Absolute explosions all over the market. 600%, 200%, 150. Insane. Insanity. This one ripping up out of there. Oh, wow. Everything his mom wanted to play this morning. Grom getting back up there. Wow, wow, wow. Everything is halted. Every stock on the scanner is halted right now. I don't think it's safe. Let's see what happens, man. We got 5 stocks halted. 5 stocks. Everything that's breathing is halted right now. P-Fund has a P-Fund PHUNW that's also going up right now. PHNW. It is going up as well, up 1,000%. I just wow. Just wow, wow, wow. I mean, what can you say about that? I don't even know what to watch. I don't know what to watch. J Kratz, I'm scared too. I don't know what to watch. It's too much moving. DATS. Oh my goodness, DATS is up here. I don't know. I don't even know, man. I'm just gonna let what happens happens, because this is on a different level now. Definitely. Everybody came in today like, yeah, Friday, baby. Let's go. Let's make this money before the weekend. And they are pushing these stocks. No dips on any of these yet. I don't know if we'll see any dips. They may just continue on. But yeah, I'm not even gonna look at the halt scanner, the times, because it's just too many to keep up with. I just look at them as they open, I guess. That's popped up there. Will it go into a halt? Okay, that one's getting traded a little regular. Let's keep our eyes on the prize though. All right. Well, I don't know if you guys already have bought into any of these, but if you're making money, congratulations. It is definitely looking very, very, I wouldn't say sketchy, Their P Fund where CEO Randall Crowder says more partnership will be announced. So they partnered with somebody. Got a partnership. A lot of volatility. Dat's getting a nice little wick up there. Don't know what it wants to do. Okay, P Fund just popped. Let's see what it wants to do. Who's going to continue? Okay. They should be opening up one after another. P Fund jumping up there again to the 14s. Yeah, okay. So this is just going to be a day of halts. DYAC should be opening up in just a minute. I believe, let's see. All of them should be opening up right behind each other. This one, oh my goodness. Oh no, that's been in a halt. All right, P Fund up 800%. Yeah, okay. DWAC. Yeah, everything's just going in the halts. It's not even okay, CRTD going up there. Will anything, because all these actually have shorts, except the DWAC, it's the only thing that can't get shorted. Yep, insanity. What is open? Okay, CRTD. Will anything show some red today? Come on, blast that through that 650 level, please. Something needs to start giving out. Okay, that one came up, giving out a little bit. Good. So DWAC still halted. I thought it should have been open by now. Let me go check that halt time. We'll see. CRTD. That one's one of the few that's making moves down. That's trying to get up there to that 11. Finding a little bit of resistance. Some of these need to fail. All right. So there is a lot of potential today for some crazy moves. CRTD coming on back down. DAX gave a nice little rip down. Okay, now we're getting some failures. CRTD, big failure. Like it. All right. Waiting and watching now. That's shot up to 11. Well, all I see is spikes, Daniel B. What do you mean? Every single stock here is spiking. There is nothing else to watch. There it's all spikes. What do you mean, dude? Every single stock is spiking. There is no way to not watch spikes. Rome just opened up. Yeah, Daniel B, that's why I'm not literally pressing the button on every move. I know they're up 100% and they can drop at any moment. Do you see me just taking random entries? Do you see me even? I'm just looking. I'm just looking right now. Just watching TV, just like you all. Exactly, One Life. Exactly. I could see if I was like, okay, taking an entry here, you know, looking for it to get over this level. I'm not doing that. I'm just sitting at the open. Woosa. I feel that. I feel you, Daniel B. I feel you. Your point of view. You're not wrong. Or maybe you were just warning people. Maybe you're just warning people that it's up 100% and it could snap down at any second. Maybe that's what it is. CRTD. All right, so those are back into halts, halts, Grum, halt. CRTD is pretty much the only one that's still open. DWAC still halted. P Fund still halted. Bottom of the 585. 659 down here. P Fund opened up higher. 1000%. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for some dips. I'm not even gonna try to play these. I mean, it's just no point right now. This market open has been hazy. Nothing but halts all around the board. This is just such a weird week, man. Friday of all day, Thursday, huge mover, and then Friday being this spicy. That's still piling up. CRTD got shorted down. It's the first one that's got shorted. P Fund up to 19. This is literally exactly what happened back here. Back here. Except back here, it actually had news. We haven't even got through the first, 30 minutes of the market? The market's only been open 19 minutes. We're going to start seeing some failures soon. Especially with this type of hype and volatility, there's no way we're not going to see some failures and then some retest. Because I think everything today broke pre-market highs. Yep. Yeah, I was looking at CRTD as well, but I think there's more potential in P Fund and DWAC is just expensive, but P Fund definitely some more potential for a drop down and retest. DATS took a big old chunky move down from the 13 to the 11. Will we see more downwards motion like that? That's making a big. Did it halt going down or something? I think that's halted going down. Maybe. Let me go and check. Doesn't show up here in the halt scanner just yet. Yep, that's halted going down. All right. TK, that one's going up. Why? Why though? It's halted. DWAC is probably gonna hold for a while. That's gonna be a long haul, and it's probably gonna open higher. But you know, I don't really know when it's gonna open. It may be a 10 minute because it's been longer than 5 minutes. It's been longer than 10 minutes. So it's probably maybe a 15-minute halt. So maybe opening at 10 o'clock. It's my theory. But yeah, on a day like this, man, it's a lot of blood that's in the water already from the short side. Think about the shorts, these ones that can be shorted. Think about the shorts getting blown up today. You know they want to make their money back. Nice, Lori. I mean, nice, J Kratz. You got into DWACW for 56. Nice, nice, nice. PALT running up the chain as well. Everything wants to run today. P Fund opening up over 22. Yeah, dang, it could halt for like a week if it is that serious. But if you're in the green, I mean, it's like whatever. PALT pulled back very quickly. Wow, wow, wow. CRTD snap down there from the 982 down here to the sevens. Big top and tail there. So will we get other snap downs by the shorts? Everything. Come on, something be unhalted. All right. Well, SALM opened up higher. Lot of cheeks getting clapped today. P Fund, nice little move down, halted on the way down. Still just waiting and being patient. It's a lot of wait and see for me. A lot of halting going down as well. CTIB popped up there. Wow. All right, so there's some big pullbacks coming on PHN. If you look at PHUNW, there's a huge pullback. So we may see a nice little pullback on it. GNW. See, huge pullback right there. We're going to see a P fund follow suit there, doing the same thing. CRTD tried to get back up there. DWAC still halted. We're approaching 10 o'clock here, 3 minutes till. See if it opens up for a 15-minute halt. Grum still halted. That's has a big candle down here. Big old indecision. That's kind of weird. See, this bottom is at the 1018, 1019. P fund. CRTD still kind of struggling in this level. Exactly, Roscoe. It's kind of like, bro, I'm looking for a dip and not seeing it. Could switch strategies, but it's no point right now. I mean, even if you're gonna do that and just buy, at this point, it's like, bruh, anything could happen, bro. But I'm gonna watch DATS as well to see what it wants to do. Does DATS have any kind of news or anything today? Shares of DAT chat trading higher. Nope. Okay. So it's a whole watch list of no news, just hype. That's cool. CRTD still kind of waiting around. Grom halted going down. That's coming on down as well. So we'll be watching all of these. CTIB. This one shot back up. 645. I don't believe the hype. Oh man. So right now everything is halted going down. We'll see what kind of action they want to give. Everything's kind of slowing down now. A lot of uncertainty. All right. So we got a 1021 bottom here on DATS. Let's see, 1086. That was a huge sell-off though. DATS. May take a starter position and then let it play out. How many minutes? Oh, it just opened this 15 minutes. I'm gonna let the first 5 minutes play out first. Let that play out a little bit. Show me where it wants to go. Atha popping up here. I mean, just random stocks popping up here. Like, what is Atha? Fun. DWAC opened up at 157. So there was a 15-minute halt, right back into a halt going down. It's insanity. T-Cat making moves up. Watching little DATs to see if it can hold up this 1016 level. All right, Roscoe. Roscoe made some nice little gains. Congratulations. All right, 1016-ish. Hmm. 2 minutes left on that one. Okay. Who's going to be strong and who's going to be weak? Okay, so that 1092, 1093, where's the bigger level? 1095 there. 1094s, 1098. Got about a minute left here. See what it wants to do here. Okay, pushing on down. CRTD. Nice. CRTD going on down. Do these just want to go? Like it. MDIA. Okay, I like this one. So I'm in there on DATS, low of the 1037, and then an even lower point of the 1013. I'm gonna see if it can push back up here. This low, 1030, 1040. 1030-ish. Little push. Just needs to stay above that 1040 area. Can we get over those 1025s? Low 1040 right now. Nice. 1150. Can we get that touch? Break even 1093. Can we get that buy up off of here? $10.64. All right. So we got this bottom 1040. I'll be out. See what it wants to do through here. If it can hold up those 11s, that'll be nice. $10.40s, I let that play. P Fund still doing his thing. Okay. CRTD, not liking it. DWAP, whatever going down. DATS. Okay. So we will see what wants to make the plays today. All right, DATS, what we got? First target level is the 1182s. 1182s right there, if it can get it. Let's see what it wants to do. 1180s. Can we get those 1150s or nah? Break even 1090. It can't get going here. Looking for over the 40s to start holding. Okay, taking a little bit of time here. Can we see those 45s? Taking a little bit there. Taking some. Taking some on that weakness. Just not seeing it go through. Don't know why this isn't updating over here. Break of the 20s, I'll be out. What in the world? Oh, okay. 20 shares left, so it just now started calculating. All right, That one slowed down quite a bit, whatever. Let's see if anything else is out here. You're gonna go, you need to go. CRTD did a little dip down here as well. We'll be watching that one. Definitely. MDIA took a dip. That's still looking kind of questionable. Can we see those 38s? Yeah, I don't know about that one. That was kind of taking its time. A little bit too much. DWAC, oh my gosh. All right. Well, it's gonna give me another opportunity to enter One Life. I'm trying to take profit today. I'm not trying to sit and wait because in this market like this, anything can happen. I mean, anything. So I think it'll give me another chance. I will enter back in if it comes back up here to this 3740 level. But right now, it's just taking its sweet little time. Yeah, I don't like that motion. CRTD still going down. Anything else looking good? I don't even know, dude. Grum. Ugh. Give me a second. Looking around, making sure I don't miss anything. Grum went all the way up there. That daily chart's looking real nasty on Grum right now. All right. Getting back up to the 30s. Can we get over the 30s? Ugh. Okay. Will it show us red or green? Top side of this is the high of the 1150. Can we get into the 40s? Will it break down these 30s here? Get back under the body of this candle, which is the 31. It is a little bit. Yeah, so I don't like that motion. If it's gonna go, it needs to go. CRTD, huge sell off. Okay. This one is looking a little bit better. 6. So there'll be a very small risk there on Salim. This 15-minute candle has a whole 15 minutes to go. All right, I'll give that one a little time to play. DATS did end up getting back down there. So we'll see if it'll give me another chance to enter. It just slowed down way too much in that level. MDIA coming down here to the bottom. I like the way it's holding this, what, 880 random level. Okay. This one continues to look kind of nice. Got about three. I'll give it about 3 minutes to see, make sure it's not going to crash down. P funds still halted down. All right. So I'll watch this one for now. Yeah, one life, good thing, right? Why don't you hold that? That's going to $12. Why are you selling? Because I saw a big old seller up there on the level twos. That's why. Big old position up there. It's like, man, nah, bruh. Let y'all play with that on y'all's own. So it's coming back down here. I'll see if it can hold up again for another entry on it. I'm not opposed to trading it, but definitely when I saw that seller up there, 10K, 10,000 shares, you know, and then it was stacked. So it wasn't like one level and then, you know, done. I'm trying to be green on the day. Okay, T-Cat popping back up there. I don't know if I want to touch that one. It's already kind of came off the bottom here. CTRD. Okay, so 1 minute left. So we need to look for some entries on, I believe it was this one that I wanted to enter on. SALM. But I'm looking for some buying to come in here though. That's the only problem. Yep. Got about 30 seconds left. Can it stay green? That is the only problem there. CRTD also coming back up. I like it. May take it for a little ride. That's questionable. Can it hold up the sevens? Nope. All right. Let me go look at something else. That one's going on down. That's trying to hold up this level again. But I don't know about it. Grom went on down. MDIA still coming down there. I wonder, can this one give a little move up? Oh, look at that volume. Ooh, it's nasty volume right there. Not looking too good. Okay, so this one did end up pulling back a little bit. So 687 could be an out for me. 650. Can it hold up that 7? It continues to crack down the 7. Yeah, I don't like that. DWAC still going down. That one's still doing that. Okay, that's, can it hold this 1063? I don't know. A lot of questions with no answers. Okay, this one's holding up the sevens now. A little bit. But just not pushing away from the sevens. A lot of struggle there. U1 is another one. Is everything from the beginning of COVID moving today? Literally everything. All these are the stocks that were moving on that day or those days. That's insane. Everything that was moving during the COVID time is moving now. Went ahead and went on down there. DWAC opening up lower and lower and lower. Hopefully Ben got a chance to sell out of that. Okay, 1060s. So we're holding up a little bit. Let it play. MDIA, this is what I was waiting on. Okay, so this low is the 879. I am definitely interested in playing this one. Can we see those 890s come back up and start holding? Just a little pop. 890s. 85s. It's getting a little bit too much pressure there to the down. Can we see those 90s? 88s. Holy shoot. Okay, so I did enter there. I'm gonna use this 882, 875 as out. It's the bottom of this low of the 875. Can we get any motion off this bottom? I got my stop out ready to go down there. See what it can do. Need to see those 901s. So risking like 20 cents here. There's the 901s, 903s. Can we get that push out of there? 905s. Let it play. CRTD came down to the bottom as well. Okay. Salim. This one is trying to do some stuff. That's came down to this bottom. I don't like that at all. CRTD still going down. DWAC, man, that thing took a trip. All right, that's looking like it wants to come back up, but this 15-minute just does not look eager. Still got U1 popped up here. Absolutely insanity down there. MDIA, what is it doing? 881s. $877s. Just took a little move down there. Looked like a 9-cent drop. Entry was the 13. It's down to the 9. Really don't need much motion on it. See, it's got the VWAP up there at the 938s. It's got to push down through all of this to get back to me, to my stop, I mean, 74s. Okay. Still halted. Still riding down. DATS broke previous lows, broke everything down there. Don't like the daily chart on DATS anymore either. All right. And you stay above this level of 878s. Have to work this way back up there. And some huge top and tails out here. DATS came down, still don't trust it down there. The way that 15 minutes is looking. This one kind of had a little bit of consolidation, but it's all red. Waiting and watching. Like MDIA wants to come down and stop me out as well. Got a little bounce there off this level, higher low. Maybe it'll be able to hold it up. We will see. 887. I could put as an out, but I'm gonna let it play. See if any buyers want to come in there and play around with it. Needs to get those 905s up there. That'll be great. P-Fund is just, I don't know where it's going to open up. Big move down there. Okay. So it may stop me if it cracks this bottom. Can we get back over the 87s? Wow, D-Wag took a little drop down there. Got stopped out of my MDIA. D-Wag. After going up. Yeah, these daily charts are just not looking good right now. Big moves down all across the board. Grom trying to come back out of there. This one's been coming down for quite a while as well. Could risk the bottom here, 489s. Can we see those 22s start pushing out of there? Does it want to stay up? I'm gonna play it and give it a little chance. 491, I will jump. $491s. Giving them chances. Back over the 21s would be great. Nice. Okay. Heavy, heavy, heavy right there. Will it be able to break all the way down? 526s. This one's CRTD. I don't like that one. That's a little bit too much. Eighth. That's still questionable. Very tight range there. Okay. Trying to see if this thing can hold up the 523s, 525s. Will the shorts get pushed out here? Can we see the 21s? That's off the bottom. 1049. Wonder can it get back up? I will give DATS a little bit to play with. I think it can hold up here, but I don't like that daily chart. That's what kept me out of it. Okay. Grown. This one getting more of a push down. Trying to fight back to the 520s. Having some troubles. Hmm. DWAC did a little bounce up there. Want to see this thing hold up that 591. Can get back up to the 505s. 501s looking like it's coming down to the 91. May stop me out here. This bottom was the 90s, so it really needs to break out of the 90s. But it's got to move back up before I can change this. Okay. All right, now I set it there at the 89. So if it breaks that 90, it's over. Call it quits on that one. P-Fund, open up lower as well. Is it already back into a halt? I think it is. Yep. Okay. And you hold up that 5. 5 giving it a nice little struggle here. Love to see that 510 back up there. '98. Will it break out of the 90s? Can we see those 505s come back up? Start getting bought. 501s. Can we see them? Nope. Pushing into the 90s now. I'm going to get stopped out here. Gave it a try. Gotta hold those 95s up. Ooh, I'm about to get stopped out. Yep. Breaking down the 90s. No buying coming in out there. So I gave it a couple of stabs down low. But I guess I'm going to have to wait on some of these bigger ones. I'll wait on P-Fund to come out then. CRTD, what did you end up doing? Still going down. P-Fund. When did it halt? P-Fund halted at the 43.22, so it'll be opening up at the 48.22. See if I can get something off of there. $48.22. 48.22. Where are you gonna open up, buddy? Gave back a lot of profits, but definitely has the potential to go back up if possible. But we've seen almost everything that was moving during that COVID time pop up for some reason. I guess off of sentiment or something. But P Fun is the one. 48.22. Okay, got a little pop there. Give us some red. Can we see some green? Giving it a little play here. And then I'll add around this level. If it wants to power up, great. 897s. Getting a little bit of buying. To 25. Can we get those 13s? 1340s. Nice. Can we get those 1370s? 70s, I'll take some. Can we see the 71? Taking. Locking some in, making sure this green day stays green. Can we get those 14s? Nice. 1420s. 1440s, taking some there as well. Okay. Looking for another push up. Can we hold anything? Giving it a minute to bounce back if possible. Bounce back above and I'll take some off. Come on back up. Can we get that 30 up there? 30 real quick. Taking. $56s. Taking up here. Can we get the 70s? Nope. Taking. All right, taking everything right there, waiting on another entry. Or did I? Okay, there. Wow. That's a big mover. Okay. Got back green on the day. We will see what it wants to do after this little candle starts to close. What else we got? Everything else kind of slowed down under, going under. But I will be prepared to play this one again if it wants to give opportunity. Nice little bounce down there. How far are you going to bounce down? Big bounce. Did we just halt going down or? It looks like we went into a halt. Yep. All right, so I'll wait for that one. Has anybody ever eaten ribs for breakfast? Is that a thing? $9.84 U1 slipping on back up there slowly. Why was U1 up again? I don't think there's a specific reason. But I am going to buy 5 shares and just let it play. See what I get off of it. I'm gonna buy a 5 there and let that 944 be the out. If it wants to make some money, cool. I just don't trust this one because it has such a big range. 944s. Got my stop out right down there and I let that play. If it wants to snap down, at least I won't lose a lot. But if it wants to come down, I enter some more. May not give that kind of time though. I really don't trust that stock. Y'all don't understand. U1 did me so wrong back when I traded it during that COVID stuff. Boy, I took some big share. I took like what 200, 300 shares. That thing dipped down so quick. I was like, yeah, there goes my V card. But I'm willing to give it a little bit. I'll give it just a little bit to work with. Because I know it can get spicy. I'm really saving everything for P Fund once it comes out of this halt. See if it can give some more room up. Can it get going? Can you pay me $5? Can you move $1 and pay me $5? Oh boy. Here's the 99. Can we get that 10 up there? Nice. Pay me $5. I'll take $5. That's some good lunch money. Getting up there to that VWAP and finding no way to go. Come on, P Fund, open up so I can trade you again. $5, $5, $5 foot long. Let's go. Break that 10 with some urgency. Break it. Don't you dare slam down on me. Break that 10. You know you want to. All right, looks like I'm going to be getting out. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to let this one roll. Come on, P Fund. When are you supposed to be open back up? Hopefully it doesn't go into another 15-minute halt. Let me see. P Fund halted at 10:52. Okay. 10:52. It should have opened up. Wow, look at that jab down. Look at that jab down there. Wow. I'm gonna let you play though. As long as you stay above that level, I'm gonna let you play. But boy, 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 that bounce down is something serious. Lost $1 on that thing. What's the low here? The low is a 960. So 950 is looking like the place that it may test real quick. P Fund, what you out here doing? Oh, it opened up. Okay. This is what I wanted to see. Can we go back green? Can we see the 21s? A lot of sell-off right there. Just giving it some time. $10.50s coming back into play. Green on this candle would be the 1170s, 1180s. So I'm gonna give it some time. It's kind of working through some things with itself. That's okay. All right, P Fund it is. Kind of holding up these levels here at the 1045. Let's see if we can stay above that 45 level. Start holding that 45 up. I want to see you hold the 45, buddy. $10.02s, way away from the 45 now, breaking down the 9s. Looking like this thing wants to go ahead and break down on this U1. Barely stayed in there on that last one. Anyway, P Fund taking a little dip down here to this previous line, this whatever line that is. Giving it some more time. It's that the 1045 was an interesting position for it. Had to see what it wants to do here though. $9. Can it hold up the 9s? Blasting through the 9s. Can it pull back up to the 9s? Holding those 9s just a little bit. So much action. U1 seems to be off of the scanner. Let's see if we can rip back up there. Coming on down there again to this level, this 790 level. I like that pull back up over the 9s right there. Getting a little heat through there. First 5 minutes is almost over with this candle. So we will see what it wants to do. Everything else is kind of coded off. All right, P-Fund. Holding up those nines. Coming back down to them now. 2 minutes left. Can we get a constant hold? Can we get some big size at the 9? Huge volume coming in there on that sell bar, but no big push yet. So we'll be patient. If they don't get a push on this, they'll start losing faith. Need to start holding up this bottom here of the $9. Look at the daily chart, man. This thing gave back everything. I don't even know, bro. This one may be a little bit, I don't know. This one's back down to the 101s. Giving this one plenty of time to make a decision. This was a what, a $7 drop or something like that. Back to that 850. Still having problems down there. I may be looking for an entry around here, 875. Can we get back into those 60s? Nope. Pushing on down. All right, whatever. So much profit given back today from those big gainers. This is not the day to be holding. P-Fund dipping on down there. What was that previous, big dip down here? I like it. Is it halting again? Halting on the way down again. I do like it, though. P-Fund. I'm definitely going to be looking at P-Fund for some entries. What is this one out here doing? U1. Not doing much. Surprised it hasn't broken down yet, to be honest. Oh, there it goes. Can it get back over there 55? I let it play. It's just a small risk on that one. Dang, be your gay. You're definitely off the ship. Oh man. P-Fund, man. I like this dip. I would like for it to come down. Okay, I got stopped out of the other one. I like this dip, and I would like for it to come down and give me a nice little entry off this dip, though. But I don't know if I want to buy behind this daily chart. This daily chart is monstrous. Let me see what else is still over here on my TD Ameritrade. Nothing. Everything looking questionable. Oh, cute. Whoo, P-Fund. Look at PHWN. Boy, that thing took a drop. That thing's back to $4 from the 19. PHUNW. Wow. That is, wow. Okay. Chrome came all the way down here to this level 440. Disgusting daily chart. On DWAC, I didn't trade that thing. That thing's $100 something. What do you mean? I'm good. DB, man. DB. Your mind is so wicked. We'll send prayers your way. Chrome. Yeah, I think Chrome is done for the day. SALM went on down there as well. This one coming from the bottom of the barrel. Wonder could it hold up? I may play this one. Back down to the bottom of the barrel and starting to hold. It's already been past that, so I can actually risk a little bit here for a pop back up, but I don't know, man. Everything's kind of questionable right now. I'm gonna just watch it. I'm gonna watch it. Just waiting for P Fund to give me another opportunity. But the thing is, P Fund has broken back down under the $10. So that's a hard one to play because $10 is definitely gonna be some resistance, maybe. That was so confusing. Definitely. What are you calling me for, dude? Give me a second. All right. So P-Fund opened up and is grinding lower. Grinding lower. Anything else that still looks okay? Okay, so there's a lot of failure. That's all I'm seeing is failure right now. CRTD coming all the way down to the bottom. I wonder, can it bounce? Some of these I'm wondering. This one halted down again. P-Fund halting down again. I'm really interested in getting P-Fund off a dip. I am really interested in that. That's I like this little dip down here. Risk is 40 cents on it. But that daily chart though, it's the only thing that's keeping me out of there. Plus these bars have gotten so small down here. I'm gonna let it kind of see what it wants to do here. CRTD still piling down as well. All the way down there to the bottom of the 424. Lauren says some issues flare up, so I altered my hours of eating. I used to weigh close to 500 and am now less than half of that. So I would say I'm doing pretty good for someone who is 5'11 and weight lifts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got the thunder buns. The thunder buns. The thunder buns. Yep. So what's your favorite lifts, Lauren? Do you squat or are you what's the other thing? Power clean or deadlift? Did I already say deadlift? Deadlift. Yeah. Okay, DATS. Do I want to buy this bottom on DATS? DATS is now under $10. I may give it a little stab down here. I don't waste too much money under here. $15. Okay, I'm gonna see where this one wants to go. Still waiting on P-Fund to pop out as well. Back to $5. CRTD. Getting down there to that level again of the 430s. It may give a bounce off that level after that big move down to this level, 450. I would like to use that 428 as an out. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. It looks okay though. Definitely has way more volume than that's. CRTD. Getting down there to that bottom. Where could it go up to? It can go up to the 536 up there. It is holding nicely that bottom low of the 435. I think I'm going to try to play it down here for a bounce back up. If I can see some good size coming in here, I don't see any size right now. Plus, it's kind of come down here. It's been a while making this move down. Trying to be a little patient. It's got 10 minutes left on it. Deadlifting and power squatting. It's a good way to get it shaped up. I mean, get in shape. I mean, I don't know how to say it. It's all gonna sound wrong. P Fun bouncing off that bottom there. I am going to play this. Definitely. It's come down too much. I'm gonna go ahead and play it down here. The low of this is the 572. I use a 575 as an out. Let's see, what is this low down here? 525. I like this one for a bounce play. Let's see if it can get back through that top. Can we get those 90s up there to hold strong? 90s. Okay, added a little bit more. Looking for those 90s to hold. 95s is what we're looking for. Buying that bounce. $5.25, I'm gonna have to jump. See a lot of volume coming in there. No big push down just yet. Can we see the 90s back up there? Nice, added right there. Got room up to, I'll probably take profit. The 805s is looking okay. Looking for this thing to get up out of there. This low was the 551. So 549, I'll go ahead and jump. Waiting, watching. All right, so we got this previous level up here. Let's see, half of the range, about $7. Let's get up there. Looking for that 625 to start the hold. This thing is dipped way too much. $5.51. Go ahead and place my stop at the 549 down there. Looking for this thing to get up a little bit. Volume coming back in over the 650s. Can we touch that top, or even get close to the 7, at least break the 7? Okay, there's a 714s right there. Can we get those 740s up there? Oh, it's into a halt. Crap. All right, so we're into the halt down there. We'll see where it wants to open up. We will see. Buying the dip on P Fund. After ended up going down. DATS ended up going down. What's this one that's diving through the floor? BT. DATS took a nice little move down there. Do I want to play DATS? Is the question. Got a bottom of the 950, so I'll be risking 50 cents. Yes, I do. I'm gonna play DATS. I'll risk that 50 cents on 5 shares just to get another little lunch money add-on. I'll be out at the 949 if it wants to come on down. We'll see if it can break out of there. You know what? I might just look for a quick little pop up if it can pop through these levels. The high of this was the 1017, so we can see those 1020s. That'll be wonderful. Now just use this as an out. 960, reducing that risk to 40 cents. We'll see if it wants to go any higher off that low. P Fund hasn't opened up yet. I'm up $1.22 on it. Let's see if it can open up higher or no. Things that I don't trust, I've learned to take small share size. Don't even play with it. Okay, getting on up there, 10s. Will it break this top here of the 1017? Possibly. Got sold into. If it can break that top, that would be amazing. Woo! Getting poppy here. Okay. So 982s. I gotta be looking to, because with that pop, it can easily pop down. 982. Want to see those 1010s come up there. If not, I'll be out at the 979. I just remembered how much size I got here. It's not even worth it getting out. I just let it play to the 960. 951. Break. Yeah, I just let it play there. I mean, it's at this point, it doesn't even matter. If it's gonna go, it's just gonna go. All right. Anything else I want to jump into? Not looking likely. P Fund. I don't even know when this thing's supposed to be opening up. P Fund's supposed to be opening up at halted at 25.33, so should be opening up in just a few minutes. I'm going to see if it can get up here and touch this level. I'll be ready to take profits very quickly. $32.30 or $30.33 is what I'm looking for. Here we go on P Fund. Can it pull a red to green move? which would be at the 736 for Green Day on it. Okay, so this halt is a little bit longer than I expected. This one, that's got up there a little bit. I'm not going to let it run against me though. I'm going to say this bottom here, low of the 1015 is my new out. I'm going to let it run against me that much. Enter 1010. Yeah, that'll be the risk. The risk. So I put the, whoa. Okay, there we go. All right, so 10-15s, if it can't continue to push here, I will be out. But I'm looking for a foot long here. Need some more lunch money. It's going to be a green trade no matter what. Especially if it pushes into the 40s, I'll move up to the 1025s, 1024 level. Can we get that 40 push? Not seeing it. If it breaks down that $0.25, I'm going to be out. I just take that profit and get on down. If it can't touch the 40s. I'm okay with it because I'm already fighting a trend anyway. Breaks down the 30s. Be looking to get out. 24. Needs to stay above. Yep, got out of there. All right, whatever. I got some cookies. Let's see. What else is going down? So this thing is definitely gone. I don't know how long this halt is gonna be. P-Fund 2533. It's about to be 10 minutes at the 3533 for P-Fund. I did buy the bottom. Don't know where it wants to go from here. But okay. We will be quite happy with the little jump up. If it can, especially if it can jump up and touch that $7 area, I'll take half up there. What is this? 804s. 804. I put a limit order up there. You know what? I got 25 shares. I may just let it play instead of jumping out. Because it can easily bounce back up there to the $9. That would be nice. Given it, D-Band A2, that one dropped down. And, DAT's coming on back down. Grum. This one coming out of the bottom as well. Could risk 32 cents here to give it just a little bit of a play. But it has lost its volatility, so I don't like it. All right, 35.33 should be coming up here in just a little bit. We're going to see what this thing wants to do. Hopefully it's not trying to rip down. And hopefully it doesn't open up way lower, because that would be bad. But it did halt multiple times coming down here, so I know somebody had to buy down here, at least somebody. Looking, waiting, watching, wondering, looking, waiting. DWACU still moving around out here in these streets. That's could not continue. I'm glad I took where I did. Oh, I'm up. P fund just popped open. Okay. Let's see if we can get going any higher. The low here, 782. Looking for it to definitely hold up this gap fill level of the 738s. If it comes back down under the 7s, I'm gonna have to get out. So 7 will be my all out. I'm not willing to play with it past that. Can we get that 851? Looking to take some profits at the 850s. Okay. All right, so that $7 level is where I'm gonna kind of hold off here, because that'll lock up $1 for me. This thing is taking some crazy amounts of time. It needs to get over the 40s quickly because I'm getting impatient. I'll start popping off here in a little bit. It shows me red again on this candle. Okay, there's the 48s, 62s. Can we get any more? 70s, possible. Take a little bit there just to lock in some profits. Looking for those 90s. Can we get it? Sold a little bit more there. Getting up to that level that I didn't want to see it at. Can it break the 75s? 75 very quickly there. 81s. Take a little bit there as well. The low here is the 780. Kind of figured it was going to show me some red here. Taking off a little bit. I can always enter in some more. Did lock in some profits there. As long as it holds that 675 level, I'll continue to play it. 75. Okay. I let it play above that 675. It got up here to this 15-minute EMA, 9 EMA, and I kind of figured it was going to struggle there, so I did take profit. And I'll be looking for other entries here, if possible. All right, Lauren, peace out. Appreciate you buzzing in. You always leave great comments and always keep the chat moving, Lauren. Appreciate it. I probably need to go back and read the chat because I just saw Lori Lee say, Lauren, don't take him seriously. So I'm going to go back and read the chat after all of this and see what's up. Okay, there's the 895s back up to that level again. Facing some struggle there again. I'm just going to hold these last 5 though. Yeah, low here is a 750. Does not need to break down at 750. Breaks it down, I'll be out. Lock in the last bit of profit there. BTCH. That one's coming on up as well. Let's see. That's this one's still buzzing around that low point. Might have to see about it. Everything's kind of popping back up now. Okay. Giving P-Fund a little bit of time to make a move. I'm still holding just a little bit. Not worried about it. It's $2.70 something cents in the profit, so I'm okay. We'll let it play. But I wanted to see it break that that $9 level, which it is continuously failing to do. This low 750 needs to either break, get going, get off of there. Yeah, this isn't looking good. All right, so let's see. Low there. Can we get those 70s to start the hold? 775 is looking like the new out point for me. If it can't hold up that $8. So I'm gonna put my out right there, 775. Don't want to lose all my profit. Either it's gonna get going or it's not. It needs to start holding those 60s strong. Saw some buyers come in there at the 60s. Can we push into the 60s? Seeing a lot of selling there though. All right, $8. $7.99 is a new out. It breaks 8. Go ahead and put that stop right there for it. Ready to go. So locked in, what, $2 of profit? It'll be $2.50 if it crashes right now in profit. Whatever. Breaks that 8. I'll be looking for more entries on it. Just stay above the 8 and we're good to go, buddy. I ain't got no hate for you. You stay above that 8. Be moving up to the 825. It continues to struggle here. Needs to get some green through it. Yep. Okay. Coming down to the 825 right now. If it goes back above it, I'll be moving. Yep, got stopped out there. All right, that's all good. Be looking for more entries. More entries. That's not looking too good down there. Grum, also the bottom of the bucket. P Fund coming on back down. May give another opportunity if it can hold up this previous bottom. But I definitely do not want to see it go lower than $5. That is gonna be some insanity right there. It needs to hold. Matter of fact, it needs to hold at 650. P Fund coming on back up there. I like it. Holding up those levels there like that. I'm gonna enter in a little bit. See it go green. Can it hold up the 40s? Can we see those 40s? I'm gonna enter small here just in case it wants to dip again. Yep, back to the 8s, getting back down into the 8s. Nah, could not break it. Breaking the 8s right there. BTCY. Anything else moving? That's still looking ugly. Okay, so it's back up here, pulling back above the 8s. It's about to close this 15-minute candle right quick. Can it hold the 8s here? Is the question. Looking like it can. Almost. Can we get those 15s? I'm gonna enter a little bit there. Can we get those 35s up there? Don't see the 30s coming. This bottom here is a 732, which is the risk level right now. If it wants to take off, great. 750 again. It's looking for it to hold up, but it could not. I only entered a little bit, so not risking much here. My entry was $8.29. I'll only give it $1 to run against me. That's $5. See if it can hold up these 15s. 15s. Can we see it? The 11s. I see the 15. There's one 15 buyer. No, I can't do it. All right, $8.29. Not gonna give it $1 to run against me. I'll give it 25 cents since it wants to be crazy. Okay, coming back up there. Can we enter a little bit more over the 30s? Can we see the 31? Can we get that 31 push out of there? 25s. Anything over the 25? 26? Not looking good. All right, so the low here is a 782. I jump out. 782. Just don't like this setup anymore. Needs to hold those 15s. I mean, $7.99. Can it hold up? Yeah, I don't like it. I'm gonna jump out. Break of the 8. I'll jump out. Needs to hold up. If it breaks 8 again, I'll be out. Yep. All right. I'll be looking for other entries on that one. Not too worried about that one. Enter is small there because I didn't know if it can go. But LMFA giving some pops up there. P-Fund trying to hold up that $8. Still interested in it, but it's going to have to do something crazy. LMFA popping up there though. Just have to wait on a pullback on that one. Very low. Here's another one we can risk. What's the risk on this one? 10 cents. 10-cent risk on this one that I like. 10 cents down to the bottom of this previous one, the low of the 84. Can we see those 92s start to play in? $45. So this will be the first 5 minutes of this candle. What do you want? Picking it up today. How? Okay, let me. How in the world? I can literally do that real quick. It's not gonna take long. Whatever. What was her? What was her? The number was. What number was I looking at for that? I had to see. All right, this one isn't looking like it wants to hold up. This one's back to the $8 though. I like it again. See if it can get out of here. On the whoops. Let's see. Green on this one would be the 818. I could play it again small. Can we see those 801s? Getting a little blast down. 799s. Okay, just not seeing the 8s anymore. There's an 8. Okay, going on down under the 8s right there at 750. Okay. Let's see. Zaxi797 says CSCW. CW. Oh crap. Give me one sec. CSCW. Ah, bro. Come on, man. You got me with that one. CSCW. It's not giving that range. We're looking for some range in this thing. We're trying to get paid dollars. All right, Grom. Not looking okay. Will it be able to hold up these levels? I just want to see it back over the 8 or the, what is this? Back over the 803s, really. Does not look like it wants to do that. Can we get back up there? Volume is 20 million on CSCW. I bet. I mean, it's competing with these P-Fund and CRTD and all these. Let me see. So it moved from the 52 cents up to the 59 cents. Yeah. And it's not even over 10%. We got 300% movers out here. Now, if somebody's interested in trading though, now that's a penny stock. That's like penny, that's like the actual penny stock. All right. Well, I'm not seeing much else today. I did have a green day. Didn't use that much money. I just entered small and just played off of the bounces. CRTD. I don't like it. Came down to that bottom. That bottom would have been the entry that I got out on because it started dipping. So I want to see a higher low there. And then 767 coming down. You'll buy DWAC in a week or two for hopefully 40. That thing. DWAC? Hopefully $40? I don't know, man. Okay, so this one is picking back up some steam as long as it holds over these levels. This was the gap level 733 that just came down and touched. 733s. So now I'm a little bit interested, just a little bit, if it can hold over those 733s. 733 on the bid right there. Can it hold those 733s? Need to see a stack there. Okay, so it did hold up those 733s and bouncing up there a little bit. So 775s, I'm going to be looking to enter a little bit. Let's see, it's got 5 minutes left on this candle. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. Let this candle close. It's got 5 minutes. Anyway, oh, didn't know. It's like how much time I got? Okay. So now it's back up to the eights. I'm gonna go ahead and add there. Small size. If it can come down some, I'll add some more. But it may not give me the opportunity. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more here before it tries to make any drastic moves. Holding up those 20s. Okay, coming back down. As long as it holds out of this this 739 level, I think I'm okay. And give it some time to work. 739, low of the 720. Okay. Can we hold up this break here? 736, coming back up to that level again. Can we see the 805s? Seeing the 805s very quickly and then disappearing. Can we see those eights? We're getting a stack at the eights. It just disappeared. We got to get that back up there. Can we get over the 95s? There's the eights. The stack at the 8. There's the 801s. Can we see the 805s for a little add? 807s. 805s again. 805s becoming a nice little resistance level there, it looks like. Okay. About to close this candle in 2 minutes. 8s trying to hold. Okay, adding there. All right. So looks like party time. Let's see if we can get some movement up. Gave us another entry opportunity. The low of this is a 760. $775s. Wanted to stay above that level. See if it can get up and get going. Looking for over the 810s. 774 is my risk. It's going to be closing this candle up in a minute. Can we get a pump out of there? Come on. There's the 17s. VWAP is at the 971, which could be a possible exit. 30 seconds, needs to hold up the 10s. If it wants to explode down, I'll be out. 764. 760s. Need to see it get up over those 10s. 15 seconds left. 20s. Can it stay up here though? Trying to close higher. Okay, did close a little bit higher, but doesn't look great. Needs to stay above this 750 level. So 775s. 775s. I'm gonna have to break this out. Needs to stay above those 8s here. I'm going to be reducing my share size here because I don't like this. I'm gonna let it play though, as long as it stays above 720. Breaking down the 8s right there. Can we get back over the 8s? There's the 8s again. I don't like the way this is struggling with the 8s here. Need to see the 801s quickly or I'm going to start exiting this position. 70, there's the 802s, 808s. Okay, so it's struggling now. All right, 799. Break of the 8, I will go ahead and jump out. Not gonna play with it. That'll be 11-cent risk here if it can't get up and get going. 11-cent risk. Needs to get those 810s quickly. Because I can always enter back in. Okay. Next out position. Let's see. Where do I want to get out at now? So it's got that 7. Oh, there it goes. Getting a little pop there. Just gonna let it play. Low of this candle looking like 790. So I just hold where I am right now. 862s. Break even is the 812. So right now 825 be a $0.25 level to lock in profits. Let's see if we can get those 75s up there. It's back to that level up there though, so I don't know. It's trying to cross over the 875, but just not getting it. So 824, I'll go ahead and kill the game. 824, my stop is in there. Be a green trade no matter what. But it just needs to continue to push if it's gonna go. Need to see those 60s quickly. $8.50 would be the next out point that I want to see it hold up. If it can push the 70s here. Yep, not looking likely. $8.50. Let's put $8.40. Give it a little bit of rundown room. Needs to get over those 50s and hold those 50s. And I'll put it at the 40 for an out. Hold those 50s. Get those 60s. Okay. 40 going in for an out. Wants to snap down. Oh well. It needs to go. It's had plenty of time. Get those 70s. Get those 80s. Let's go. 65s is what we're looking for. Little bit of volume coming in there. There's the 75s. Can we break it? Can we see the 76s? Okay. So 850 is definitely the out. 849. If it doesn't want to go there, I'll just stop out. 849. So that's locking in a little bit of profit. I can always enter back in if it wants to break down at 850. Coming on down, coming on down. 850 got me out right there. Okay with that. I think it's got a little bit more movement down to go anyway. All right. It is 11:06. I actually need to get to work on some other projects. So I'm gonna cut it right now and stop. Just, I don't want to get into over trading. You guys, if you're gonna continue trading, please be careful. I'll go back and read the chat in at some time, but definitely be careful. Let me go ahead and get ready to shut this thing down. All right, guys. Appreciate you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, I'm gonna leave all of this alone. It's Friday. I'm already green. I'm walking away. I got other work to do. So appreciate you guys chiming in. Daniel B, One Life, Lauren, Lori, uh, um, Nicholas, Morello, J Kratz, XAV 797. That's a new one from Twitch. Who else was in here? I believe I called out most of the people. I don't know if Donnell was here today. But yeah, Roscoe. That's who I was forgetting. Roscoe. And yeah, I believe that's everybody. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. And yeah, I'll be back on Monday. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.